Hello, friends. I'm Miss April, and today we're going to read the story Pete the Cat and His Four Groovy Buttons. Written by Eric Ledwin and art by James Dean. Pete the Cat put on his favorite shirt with four big, colorful, round, groovy buttons. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. He loved his buttons so much, he sang this song. My buttons, my four groovy buttons. My buttons, my four groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! One of the buttons popped off his shirt and rolled away. How many buttons do you think are left? Let's count them. You ready? Here's Pete. He has 1, 2, 3. 4 minus 1 equals 3. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He just kept singing his song. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? Let's count. Are you ready? We have 1, 2. Did Pete cry? Oh, wait, look. The number 2. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? Let's count. Ready? Look, there's Pete. And he's only got 1. 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. He kept on singing. Oh, did he get angry and cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My buttons, my 1 groovy button. My button, my 1 groovy button. Pop! Oh no! The last button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? Are there any buttons left? Oh no, there are 0. If you have 1 and you take 1 button away, that means there are no more. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. Pete looked down at his buttonless shirt, and what do you think he saw? His belly button! And he kept singing his song. My button, still has my belly button. My button, I still have my belly button. I guess it simply goes to show that stuff will come and stuff will go. But do we cry? Goodness, no. We keep on singing. Buttons come and buttons go. The end. Thank you for joining us today. Sometimes it's hard when things break or get lost. And it's okay because maybe we can fix it or sometimes we can't. But it's okay. Thank you for joining us. Bye.